Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize Alexa's response to your questions on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the More button down below, and then you should click on the See More button, tap on Blueprints, and here you should scroll down again and tap on Custom Q&A. Customize Alexa's response to your question, tap on Make Your Own, and after that you should type in the Skip button in the upper right corner, tap on Create Skill, then tap on Add Q&A. So for example, when you say Alexa and then type it in your phrase, for example, Alexa, which is the best country in the whole world, then type in the customized answer. If you are done, you should tap on the next Create Skill button and it will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.